Hello, so we're back, and this time is Monday morning. Check here, Monday morning, 8 o'clock. Huh? So, what kind of job we can do Monday morning at 8 o'clock in the morning? We have a job from a computer business. Failed screen backlight, very dark image can be detected on the screen. HDMI output normal. I have tested by trying different screens. Huh? It's a perfect job for a Monday morning. You don't want anything like hard on a Monday morning. So let's test the laptop. Pressing the power button, the laptop it is coming on. I can see the backlight of the keyboard. And picture on the screen, I can see Acer on the screen. You can see it? Yeah. So we have no backlight. They try already the different screens. I think we can go straight to the motherboard, right? Yeah, let's do it. And the laptop, it's open. I'm not sure here is some liquid damage or what. Let's focus on the screen connector. Yeah, let's go on the microscope. And we are looking for a fuse. Yeah, that's liquid damage. Check that. Liquid damage. Okay. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, okay, that's the fuse. You have a 0 ohms resistor here. But this is on the 3.3. And the 3.3 it's on, only on the laptop it's on. Yeah. So this is not the backlight. Where is the backlight? I have no idea because we should have pins together and I can't see pins together. We have here pins together and the 0. And that's all. So not sure what should I say about this. Let me disconnect the battery. Battery is out. The connector, how can I take the connector? The connector is out and it's looking fine. Okay. So this is a case where you cannot figure it out very easily. Where is the backlight track? And there's nothing what we can do. We have to take the motherboard out. Because probably the backlight circuit is on the other side of the board. So just give me like few minutes and let me take the board out. Yeah, no easy pizza if we have to take the board out. I know. And the motherboard, it's out. We have one more flex cable here. Now let's check the motherboard on the screen connector here around here. Yeah. And I think it's quite obvious what is the problem. You can see it. You have a blow up inductor. Check here. Huh? What do you think about that? Gone, right? The question is why it's gone. Let's check for short before and after the inductor. So here is no short and here is no short. No. The solution. The solution is to replace that blow up inductor. Let's desolder first. Good, so we took out half of the inductor and half of the inductor can rest on the board. Can be a support for our fuse. So we have a wire here, great, and the wire is coming here, perfect. Perfect. Now the board should have backlight. What do you think? It will have backlight or it will blow up again? Let me put the board back quickly. So we put just few screws. Let's plug the battery. Pressing the power button, which is here, and the laptop it is coming on. Let's see. We have backlight, huh? What do you think about that? You didn't expect it, right? Wow, what a job. You see, this kind of job, it's already made my day better, my Monday. That's why you need this kind of jobs in the morning. Now, regarding the liquid damage, clearly there is a sweet liquid damage. So for sweet liquid damage, we have to use water. Just a little bit. We don't want to create water damage. The battery. Oh, lol, I forgot about the battery, but that's fine. And we can clean the water damage. You can see it's getting clean nicely. So check here. That's why I'm using water. See, perfect. I mean, these things are not enabled. You see the dedicated GPU chip and VRAM. Yeah, I have to take the heatsink out. Yeah, let me take the heatsink out. And the heatsink is out. And it's more liquid damage here. But we can clean it nicely. Perfect. This is kind of like an old type of laptop. But it's still working. Okay, let's replace the thermal paste on this case. Fresh thermal paste. Great. Heatsink is back in place. Let's be sure there's no water there. Great. Plug in the battery. Press in the power button, which is here, and the laptop it is coming on, but you can't see it, sorry. And we have picture. Yeah, the laptop didn't die when I poured the water on the board. And it's loading the windows. Fantastic. And of course it's doing updates. Yeah, why not? Brightness up. Yeah, all good. And why we have a dark side here? Huh? You can see? I think this screen is faulty. Wait, the backlight just died. And the laptop turned off. You think the battery is discharged? Pressing the power button is coming on. Let me plug a charger. Wait, what is this? Don't tell me low battery. Okay, it is low battery. No, the laptop is fine. Plug in the charger. 19. And it's taking like 1.5 amps. Pressing the power button. Probably they replace the screen, but they fit the original screen back. And the original screen probably has liquid damage. Yeah, you can see. So here, you can see the power off. Here, the power off button. So you have some LEDs which are not working. You can see them. So the screen has liquid damage. Yeah, but it's nothing what we can do. So we fix the backlight. If the computer shop want to replace the screen, that's up to them. But we done our job. Yeah, fantastic. Great. So if you have a backlight issue, now you know how to repair it. This is a Acer Travelmate P459. Now, why that inductor exploded? Hard to say. Can be from the liquid damage on the screen or on the connector. We don't really know. But we did fix it. What? Check here. No, it's not a connector. It's not a connector because you have backlight. Just some LEDs are going off. Now it's working fine. Check here. Huh? We fixed it. We should charge more, right? Here. Here. No, it's nothing what I can do. No. Well, it's working. I'm gonna stop here. I'll say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you like the video, of course. And have a nice week. Bye. Hey, if you find my content being helpful, don't forget you can support this channel by pressing the join button, and you can get instantly access to our members only cool collection and Discord private channels for support with your repairs. Also, you can have a look on our United Kingdom eBay, where you can find some cool and unique products, United States eBay store, or our Patreon page. Thank you.